Hey everybody, this is Martin Mi5 back for another video. Today's video is about NIO. It's called XPeng versus NIO. Can tech trend turn the tables ahead of Q3 earnings? So let's see what this is about. XPeng bullish before Q3 earnings with strong technicals and innovation in AI, EVs, and flying cars. That to me, that's just scary as hell, flying cars. NIO bearish ahead of earnings despite buying pressure and hinting at potential recovery. Okay, so let's check it out. The battle of China's electric vehicle giants heats up this week as XPeng Incorporated and NIO Incorporated prepare to reveal their third quarter earnings. XPeng reports after the bell on Tuesday, while NIO follows early Wednesday. Here's what the charts and innovations signal ahead of these crucial reports. XPeng, AI ambitions meet bullish signals. XPeng is riding high on a wave of tech innovation, unveiling the AI-defined P7 Plus, the futuristic flying car, and the XPeng super electric system, boasting record-setting charging speeds. The announcements come as XPeng stock trends moderately bullish, showing significant buying pressure. You can see it there. That's their chart. From a technical standpoint, XPeng stock trades at 1323 above its 20-day SMA of 1242. 50-day SMA, which is a simple moving average, is 1154, and 200-day SMA is 901. All bullish signals. However, the stock is below its 8-day SMA of 1370, hinting at a short-time selling pressure. With analysts projecting a third quarter revenue of $1.38 billion and an EPS loss of 27 cents a share, XPeng's AI-driven strategy and technical setup point to potential upside post-earnings. NIO, bearish setup despite buying pressure. NIO stock is in stark contrast, is mirrored in a bearish trend. Tell us something we don't know. Trading at 471, NIO stock sits below all key moving averages. The 8-day SMA 479, 20-day SMA 507, and 50-day SMA 555 all suggest bearish momentum. Still, the stock has seen buying pressure recently, which could hint at a potential reversal if earnings impress. Analysts expect third quarter revenue of $2.54 billion and an EPS loss of 30 cents a share. The verdict: XPeng's bullish technical indicators and an innovation narrative position it as a front runner for investor attention this week, while NIO's bearish setup leaves it with more to prove. As both companies face earnings, the battle could settle. It could set the tone for the next phase of China's EV wars. So, bottom line is NIO is appearing to be very bullish. So, let's take a look at the chart and see how NIO is actually performing. So, here's NIO here sitting at 472. It is after hours, of course. Let's take a look. See what we're doing. So it did hit up to around 475. As you can see, high today at 475, low of 449, open price 461, 52-week low was 361, 52-week high was 957. Man, it'd be nice if it was 957 right now, wouldn't it? Well, depending. If you guys are just buying, you don't want it to be 957. If you guys are bag holding, then you definitely want it to be 957 or probably even higher, depending upon what your average cost is. Some of you guys are negative 10K, 20K, 30K. I think somebody said 40K. I've been down, not now, but in the past, 58K. So I definitely know where you guys are coming from in there. But if you're either a new NIO stock investor or you're just really trying to get your dollar cost average back down and you have the money, you got enough powder, then I would say load up on NIO one way or the other. If you're a true believer in NIO. If you don't believe in NIO, then don't buy it. I'm not telling you to buy it. I'm just saying if you really believe in it, now would be a good price range to buy. I put a limit buy order. Let's see if it got filled yet. Quantity of 50. Limit price of 457. So I might have to reset that because it's at 472. It was 457 at 6:25 a.m. this morning, but apparently my order did not get filled for whatever reason. So 50 shares. I'm gonna, if I do get it filled, I'm just gonna hold it. I don't care. I'll just hold it for a long time, see what happens with it. But that's what it is. They were talking about XPeng, so let's get in there real quick. Take a look at that. Oops. I don't know why I always want to spell it E. XPeng or XPev. Let's see what we got going on there. Okay, so it's sitting at 13.25. For the day, it did what? High of 13.55, low of 12.74, and an open price of 13.03. So that would have been good for a good day trade right there. You could have gotten that 12.74 range and sold anywhere near 13.55, and you had a decent amount of shares. You could have made a pretty good profit on that. I don't have any of these currently, but it's got a 77.5% buy rating. So the analysts are really believing in this stock. It says strategic collaboration and share purchase agreement from Volkswagen Group removes investors' concern around the company's near-term liquidity. So those are the bulls. A higher level of vehicle autonomy still has a very long way to go to commercialize, considering regulations, infrastructure, and technology development. So those are the bears. So I had some before, I sold them. But yeah, that's it for this video. I just wanted to compare the two because they were talking about NIO and XPeng, of course. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, click that notification bell so you'll be notified of my daily uploads. Let me know in the comment section below how many shares of NIO you guys currently hold, what your average cost is. Are you, any of you that are buying NIO, are you buying any XPeng? And if you're not, why not? True question. I really want to know why you would not be buying XPeng. Anyway, that's it for this particular video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Look, if somebody ordered a shitty beef and I complain because they say they ordered a shitty shrimp, it's not my fault. He gets a shitty chicken pot all over his f***ing head.